Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these banana cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, which is at room temperature or warmed in the microwave a little, followed by your light brown sugar, then your granulated white sugar, then beat together until they are well combined. You're looking for it to just come together. Then go ahead and add in your banana and vanilla extract and mix these in until fully incorporated. I've lost a clip for this as it corrupted when I was transferring it. Mix that in. Once it's incorporated, you can then add your dry ingredient, which is the flour, the raisin agent, salt, and chocolate chips. Mix until you have a dough form. You don't want to over mix it as that will make a tough textured cookie, which is not pleasant, but just mix until you have a dough that pulls away from the bowl. Then you can go ahead, take your scoop and scoop up balls of the dough, roll them between your hands and flatten them slightly, then place onto a baking tray. I put 5 onto a tray as these do spread quite a lot due to the banana and it's not being an egg. Just repeat the process until you have 5 on a tray, and this recipe would make 5.5, so I always freeze the extra bit of dough if you don't fancy making it now. I'll leave all the information you need in the blog post, which will be linked down below. But then here is what they look like fresh from the oven. They smell so good like banana bread, but in cookie form. Top each cookie with some more white chocolate chips. Again, this is optional, but this is what I like to do, so feel free not to do it, or to add more or less, and even add some banana chips if you wanted, just to really enhance that banana flavour and look. So if you like banana, these cookies are the one for you. They smell like banana bread and taste a little bit like it too. But that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.